Breaking news. A 7.8 magnitude earthquake has struck in southern Turkey. The earthquake occurred near the city of Gaziantep. The quake caused severe damage to infrastructure in Turkey and Syria. A 6.7 magnitude aftershock was reported in southern Turkey. The United States Geological Survey estimates that there could be up to 10,000 casualties. At the present time, over 200 casualties have been confirmed and over 1,000 people are injured. Turkey's Interior Ministry has put the country on high alert. Many buildings have collapsed in Turkey and Syria and many people are trapped under rubble. Turkey has appealed for international aid. The earthquake was felt in Syria, Jordan, Cyprus, Israel, Lebanon, and Egypt.
هذا المشروع ده كله صار على البيع. طلعهم 3 4 والباقي كله لسه تحت.